G'day, I'm Robert Cavenagh. I'm a fourth year mechanical engineering student studying here at UNSW Canberra at the School of Engineering. So my research is looking at how structures made out of 3D printed materials, so we have a titanium material here and a plastic material here, how these materials respond to ballistic impact with ball bearings, and we're going to be testing that with a gas gun and also simulating that on a computer to see how they respond under ballistic impact. So this research is going to benefit people designing vehicle armour for military vehicles and also people driving those vehicles around, everyone involved, to potentially make these armours much more light but still have the same protection capability as a solid steel plate. So one thing that I've learnt that's been interesting out of this research has been how we can model these structures on a computer and how we can model the ballistic impacts. There's lots of assumptions and things that go into it to model it in a really accurate way, but also a way that's realistic to be able to simulate on a computer in a realistic time period. So being able to simulate on a computer means that we can do lots and lots of experiments on a computer in a computer world rather than in the real world using the gas gun, which is much more expensive. So the computer enables us to check out lots of different experiments and investigate lots of different parameters. And then the gas gun is a fantastic way to then validate those models and check that they're accurate and representing real life in a good way. 3, 2, 1, fire. So during this project I've had two supervisors, that's Paul Hazel and Hongju Wang, which have been fantastic for helping me along the project in different facets of it. Hongju Wang's been especially helpful with the experimental side, with gas gun experiments, and Paul Hazel's been good for providing some professional advice on how we can model these structures under ballistic impact and what approach we should take towards that. I've also had support from the workshop during this project to help me manufacture these structures, and also all the plates and projectiles and projectile holders that we need for the experiments to work properly.